By the time we reach the middle of Ramadan, something begins to change within us. The body has adjusted to fasting. The hunger is no longer the greatest struggle. Now the deeper work begins, the work of the heart. The days between the 10th and the 20th of Ramadan are often described as the days of forgiveness, maghfirah. These are the days when Ramadan invites us to look inward and ask ourselves whether we are truly changing. Allah reminds us in the Quran about the significance of this blessed month. The month of Ramadan is that in which the Quran was revealed, a guidance for mankind and clear proofs of guidance and criterion. Ramadan is not only about fasting, it is about reconnecting with the Quran, the very book revealed in this month. These middle days are the perfect time to strengthen that connection, to open the Quran more often, to reflect on its meaning, and to allow its guidance to reshape our lives. One of the greatest lessons of Ramadan is that Allah loves to forgive. Allah says in the Quran, "And whoever does a wrong or wrongs himself, but then seeks forgiveness of Allah, will find Allah forgiving and merciful." Think about the mercy in this promise. No matter how many mistakes we have made, the door of forgiveness is still open. Ramadan reminds us that turning back to Allah is never too late. These days are the time to ask yourself, have I sincerely asked Allah for forgiveness? Have I tried to repair my relationship with Him? Have I tried to improve my character? Forgiveness in Ramadan is not only about asking Allah to forgive us. It is also about purifying our hearts toward others. Allah praises those who control their anger and forgive people, those who restrain their anger and pardon people, and Allah loves the doers of good. Ramadan is the perfect opportunity to let go of grudges, to forgive someone who hurt you, to soften your heart, to choose mercy over resentment. Because the one who shows mercy often receives mercy in return. The middle days of Ramadan are a bridge. Behind us are the days that trained our discipline. Ahead of us are the last 10 nights, the most powerful nights of the entire year. Allah says about those nights, "Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. Laylatul Qadr is approaching." So these middle days are the time to prepare spiritually. Strengthen your prayers, increase your remembrance of Allah. Ask for forgiveness often. Ramadan moves faster than we expect. The days pass, the nights pass, and before we realize it, the month is almost gone. The successful person is not simply the one who fasted. It is the one who leaves Ramadan with a heart that is lighter, cleaner, and closer to Allah. So take these middle days seriously. Seek forgiveness. Reconnect with the Quran. Prepare yourself for the final 10 nights, because this Ramadan could be the one that transforms your life.